Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I'm really excited to share with you another Model Y that a lot of people have been asking for videos or camera footage, which will be up on our site shortly, of a midnight silver metallic Model Y wrapped in Xpel Stealth series paint protection film. Wrapping cars today is really popular and everybody's doing it. Whether you're just doing a color change, which is fun, or you really want to protect the paint of your car from road rash and rock chips and bird droppings and other things like that. Xpel does it better than anybody else. The reason why Xpel is better than everybody else is because their film, their paint protection film, doesn't yellow, lays up so much better, is so much more durable than everything else that's out there. It has self-healing properties, and it really is the best. And they have two lines. They have Ultimate Plus, which is translucent, clear, maintains the same color of your Tesla, or my favorite, the Stealth series. It actually takes the beautiful gloss finish of your Tesla and gives it a satin, almost matted out look. That's a huge trend. Everybody's into that. And here's a midnight silver metallic car that just had it done. So as you can see, now we have a satin, kind of matted out finish, Model Y, midnight silver metallic. All the exterior panels have been wrapped. This product is guaranteed for 10 years. And you know what? It really does a great job protecting your car. And when you go stealth, you get also a color change. How cool is that? We didn't stop there. As you can see, something very special. We have our 20-inch, one-piece forged TY115 wheels finished in satin black to match all the satin black trim that Tesla puts on our cars now. These one-piece forged wheels are much stronger than any other type of wheel out there because it is one-piece forged. That process of machining and manufacturing that we do in our facility in California allows you to have not only the strongest wheel, but also ones that are very light, and they're much lighter than the original Tesla cast wheels, and they look great, don't you think? This is our most popular design, the 115. We actually make this style for all models Tesla, but I love the way it looks in 20-inch on this Model Y. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about that. I think the car looks absolutely stunning, and it's all done. We're gonna take her back to the shop. Customers picking it up today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already. A lot of videos coming your way soon.